It's day 5 and we're on the road with ACE Academy. Today, the students went traveling across the state and into Ohio to visit 2 important aviation museums. First, the Wilbur Wright Museum in Hagerstown, Indiana, the birthplace of Wilbur Wright. They were models of the first ever airplane and a replica of the older Wright brothers' home before moving to Dayton, where Orville was then born. Speaking of Dayton, that's where the ACE students ventured next, to the Wright-Patterson Air Force Museum just outside of Dayton, Ohio. 4 large buildings here had not models, but actual planes that were once used. From early aviation to the World Wars to modern aviation, the Air Force showed off the flying power they've had over the years, and the students had a blast. Here's even more activities they'll be up to next week.